She puts a bar of soap under her sheet. The reason why is genius. Hello everyone, you've probably heard all about the restless leg syndrome and leg cramps, the most common symptoms and causes. But if you haven't, then you should know that these are conditions that occur at night when you are trying to go to sleep, and they can be extremely painful and frustrating to deal with. This is especially true if someone just wants to rest. What's restless leg syndrome? Well, the medical experts say that restless leg syndrome is a neurological disorder that produces unpleasant feelings in the legs while a person is resting. The root cause of restless leg syndrome is unknown, but there are some situations that have been linked to the issue, such as kidney failure, diabetes, alcohol consumption, medication use, and pregnancy. What are night leg cramps? The night leg cramps, or Charlie horses, are also a common problem people have as they are falling asleep. But unlike restless leg syndrome, moving the leg while it is cramping will not reduce or help you with the discomfort. On the contrary, this will increase the pain significantly. Leg cramps normally occur because of excessive exercise, mineral and vitamin deficiencies, and dehydration. Note, you should know that there are some things which you can do and they can help stop both restless leg syndrome and leg cramps from happening at night. Some of these include massages, a warm bath or shower, drinking enough water, and eating right. And yes, there is one simple thing you can do tonight that will stop restless leg syndrome and leg cramps. What's that? Just put a bar of soap under your sheet. You got that right, just put a bar of soap under your sheet. Did you know that almost 42% of people who suffer from leg cramps or restless leg syndrome use this weird soap trick to stop the problem? And now you probably ask yourself, why does it work? Well, even the medical experts are not sure, but some believe that the magnesium in the soap stops the problem. That is because magnesium deficiency is a leading cause of both restless leg syndrome and leg cramps. The famous Dr. Oz says that you should use lavender soap, because it helps to relax the muscles with its natural scent. And we totally agree. If you are going to put soap in your bed, you can make it natural with an essential oil-based scent. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.